it's me, Hair by Eve, back again with a new video. So, my hair, I just been wearing my hair, like my different wigs, changing it up. I have a few videos dropping for a blonde wig and a curly wig from Amazon, so look forward to seeing that. But I'm so tired of wigs now, so now I decided I'm gonna braid my hair. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be using today. So got 2 combs. I got the edge booster for thick and coarse hair. I never used this one. I normally use the regular one, but I seen this one today, so we're gonna see how this works. And it was not cheap. Look at that price. You see? So we're gonna try this out today, and I was mad because it's not scented like the other ones, but we're gonna see how this one works on my hair. And you know, I got the Shine and Jam. You know, wait a second. You know, this is not, is this still Shine and Jam? I don't know if this is Shine and Jam. If you know what I'm talking about. It looks just like this, but it doesn't say Shine and Jam. It says Let's Jam. I'm not sure, but you guys should know what I'm talking about. It was in my last braiding video. I have to double check and see if it's the same one, but it's basically the same thing if it's different. And then I'm using Expressions here. So I got the really, I already took it out the package because I'm trying to get started because it's kind of late. But this is the color number 4. You see it's very long. I'm just gonna braid it this long, and that's gonna be that. And so I wanted to add some color. I've been feeling blonde, so I got some blonde put in with this. I'm just gonna, you know, feed it in. So I'm gonna be doing jumbo knotless braids. I already washed my hair. Now it's gonna look a little crazy. I'm not gonna hold you. It's gonna look a little crazy because I washed it and I did not comb it. I did not blow dry it, let it air dry. And that's why I have on my shower cap, because you're about to see what it looks like. But yeah. So let's just get started. No